How you doing, all my people? Hope you're all having a wonderful and blessed day today. Now today I'm in the kitchen and I'm about to go cook up some brown stew chicken, guys. So now here is my chicken, guys. Here's my chicken already washed and clean up with my vinegar over there. And now I am just going to jump right into seasoning this chicken, guys. All right, so now I'm just going to go in with all these goodies in here. I prepared already. It having everything all purpose, Maggi seasoning, black pepper, everything is in this one, garlic powder, everything is in this one already. So we're just gonna throw everything in. It's a little brown in, guys. A brown still chicken must brown and look good. Right? All right. In this goodies here, I have all the seasoning thereof. I have from garlic, pimento seed, onion, scallion, everything thyme. All of these in here already. There you have it. Right. So now we're just gonna make sure everything, all of the seasoning, blend in nicely together. And I'm gonna put this away for probably about an hour, because I'm not gonna take long to cook this one. I'm just gonna rest this out for an hour, probably less than an hour, guys, as I'm not into no late cooking today. So yeah, all right, see there, nice and easy. I also have some more seasoning that I will come in as a pot progress. Yeah. So in the meantime, the chicken is marinating, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna cook up some rice. I'm gonna season up my rice, guys. And in here I have some thyme already. And now I'm gonna put some butter. Just gonna drop some butter in. And I'm also gonna put a little coconut milk in, guys. Put some coconut milk in there as well. Give it a stir. And you see how easy that coconut milk melt out? Yeah. Melt out so easy. Alright. Next I'm gonna put some Maggi seasoning in. And I'm using this one. I'll season up the pot nicely, you know. For the season, I'm not putting any pepper in there, guys. So now I am just going to put my rice in the water right now. And guys, I wash my rice. Now I'm just gonna throw everything in. It smells so good. Just go and brown them now. Get off the seasoning on off of them first. Like, as you can see, I already turned the chicken then, guys. Looking good. Allow it to steam down nicely. Steam some broccoli and string bean. Let's drop them in. Yeah, guys, so far chicken looking really nice and brown right round it. And this is a season bowl, so I'm just going to throw over to season them over, you know. So make sure you have enough water to cover your meat to properly cook it down, guys. So now I'm just going to go in with some more season. Right there is my Scotch bonnet right there. And I have some Irish to dice up, and these are gonna be easy to cook, guys. My bell pepper, assorted color right there, my carrot right there. Remember, I know it's brown stewed chicken, and yeah, it have to be of all the things them to strew it down with. Yeah, so I'm just gonna cover this now and allow this to cook down, guys. Strew down, you know. See how nice and colorful that is. Nice on the finishing touch right now, guys, so stay tuned. So yeah, guys, my broccoli and my string bean is done, and now I'm gonna take them out. You don't want them to overcook, so I'm gonna remove them from the pot right now. A little ketchup as well, guys. Nice. And I could torture them. I'm gonna look at Irish, you know. Put them up on top, come on, and come out just the same way as how them go in. Irish, I'm gonna torture them on top. And I'm almost cooked already, you know, guys. So just a wait on the gravy to simmer down nicely, and then me take it off, guys. So look how beautiful that is. Wow. Soon come back. So guys, now my brown stew is done, guys, and I'm gonna serve up the food, so stay tuned. So guys, my brown stew chicken is done. Serve with rice in coconut juice, and my broccoli and my string bean to complement it on the side, guys. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful, blessed, and productive evening.